Investors are also waiting for a clear election result, so there was little movement on the share market today. Some of the big miners, though, seem to be counting on a coalition victory. Ben Worsley reports.
Business, like everyone else, is scratching its head.
Is it going to be Labor-led? Is it going to be coalition-led? What independents are going to be providing support?
And what does it all mean? For a start, uncertainty, and that isn't welcome in this end of town.
Markets don't like uncertainty, and they do tend to drift potentially lower often until we get a final result.
But the Australian markets were largely flat. The All Ordinaries closed just 2 points down as investors sat out.
I think most yesterday in the markets would have expected a very large drop today. 1 or 2% was being bandied around first thing this morning, but it just didn't eventuate.
The Prime Minister, at least, is selling that as a virtue.
The results on the market show that the market understands that stable government is continuing in this period.
But the stocks that prospered give a hint at what the markets predict.
As far as the equity market is concerned, it does tend to be mildly factoring in a coalition victory, something we can ascertain by the fact that in a relatively flat market, the resources sector has tended to drift up today.
Which means some are banking on an end to the mining tax through a coalition-led government.
I think the Aussie is getting some support from foreign investors on the belief that a mining tax won't go ahead, and that would be positive for the currency.
The Greens support the mining tax, and their role in the balance of power worries business.
We'd be very concerned if the proposals that the Greens have put in place about increasing tax came to fruition.
Any balance of power party needs to ensure that it operates on a pragmatic basis with the Australian government.
Whoever that may be. Ben Worsley, ABC News.